Welcome to DMIT training program level 2 divided into 6 to 12 modules. In module 7 you will learn theory of multiple intelligence based on Howard Gardner MI theory. In that you will learn in-depth study of 8 multiple intelligence and brain lobe correlations, understanding the MI composition ratio, multiple intelligence assessment guidelines, inborn potential and abilities based on MI theory, multiple intelligence and preferred career guidance. In module 8 you will learn advanced fingerprint analysis. In that you will learn in-depth study of fingerprint patterns, which includes 25 fingerprint pattern study, how to analyze fingerprints properly, fingerprint analysis using DMIT software, methods of fingerprints reach count, importance of LTRC, RTRC and TFRC, case study of fingerprints analysis. In module 9 you will learn types of personal questions. Those are IQ, EQ, AQ, CQ and SQ. In this you will learn personal questions and compositions, IQ intelligence question compositions, EQ emotional question compositions, AQ adversity quotient and compositions, CQ creativity quotients and compositions, SQ spiritual quotient and compositions. In module 10 you will learn interpretations of DMIT report and counseling. In that you will learn how to understand DMIT report and core values, DMIT report counseling methods for age group 3 to 10 years, DMIT report counseling methods for age group 11 to 17 years, DMIT report counseling methods for age group 18 to 30 years, DMIT report counseling methods for age group 30 and above, and also you will learn how to do DMIT counseling methods for employees. In module 11 you will learn career guidance based on MI composition ratio. In this you will learn how to understand MI composition ratio, career guidance based on MI composition ratio, career counseling based on personality types, career guidance based on 3I composition ratio, career counseling based on 2I composition ratio, career guidance based on multiple intelligence composition ratio. In module 12 you will learn effective counseling techniques and guidelines. In that you will learn effective counseling skills and methods, value-based counseling methods, parenting techniques and guidelines, ecology counseling guidelines, counseling skills based on age group, practice, case study and assignments. Thank you. Register now and start learning. Visit www.dmitlab.in/dmit-course-online. Thank you.